How can you calculate your fuel saving with PV Genset Controller? For the microgrid designers, it's challenging to calculate a return on investment of grid-tied solar installation, especially in terms of fuel saving on generators due to grid-tied solar integration. This video covers the most practical way to come up with productive fact-based figures. Hi, I'm Shaf Ali from ICSS Engineering. We specialize in solar SCADA and control systems required for safe and productive integration of grid-tied renewable solar energy in existing power infrastructures of industries and commercial applications. Every generator manufacturer for their every model of genset provide fuel consumption chart against various loads. Usually this information can be found on generator's datasheet. For example, I am sharing a Caterpillar generator CAT XQP500 just for your reference, and I am also giving a link to their website, which is claiming, the datasheet is claiming that at 100% load it's gonna consume 102 liter per hour, at 75% load it's gonna consume 76.2 liter per hour, at 50% load it's gonna consume 54 liter per hour. Fuel consumption chart can always be asked from the OEM if not mentioned in the datasheet. These are ideal numbers to work, but matter of fact is that once generator is commissioned on site, following issues can impact fuel consumption of the genset. Number 1, wear and tear during compression. Number 2, fuel leakage in the fuel system. Number 3, idle speed adjusting screw set incorrectly. Number 4, clogged or dirty air filters. Number 5, leakage of combustion gases from cylinder head. Number 6, valve improper timing. Number 7, valve clearance or improper adjustment. Number 8, injector defective. Number 9, intercooler defective. Number 10, wrong injection timing. Number 11, defective fuel pump. Number 12, high coolant temperature. Number 13, inappropriate engine oil. Number 14, overloading. Number 15, underloading. Number 16, poor overhauling. Number 17, poor maintenance record. Number 18, poor power factor on load side. Usually the PV genset are claiming 40% to 50% saving in fuel. This is only a bookish guess and usually are impractical as they have assumed a lot of variables as constants. So the question remains of how can one calculate practical fuel saving with PV genset synchronization. Here is the procedure of coming up with concrete numbers for fuel saving expected from a PV genset controller. Number 1, observe average load on your generator during daytime. Let's assume that the generator was 500 kVA, which is 400 kilowatt, and you observe that your average load during day was 300 kilowatt, that is 75% of load against generator's total rating. Step number 2, let your generator run for 3 hours and log fuel consumption per hour. Average out your readings. Let's assume that the liters per hour consumed was 77. Step number 3, decrease your load on generator per the minimum genset loading set point recommended by the generator's OEM. If, for example, OEM recommends minimum generator loading of generator to be 35% for 2 to 3 hours of continuous operation, 35% of 400 kilowatt is 140 kilowatt. So decrease load of site to around 140 kilowatt. Let generator run for 3 hours and log its fuel consumption per hour. Let's say the average liter per hour value that you have observed is 35 liter per hour. Assuming that you have 300 kilowatt solar installed and the irradiation is reasonably strong, you can save 77 minus 35, which is 42 liters per hour. If there are multiple generators on site, this procedure must be conducted for each of them, even if they are of identical or of same manufacturer. Thank you.
We have and will be covering more topics related to PV microgrid design, PV genset controllers and solar SCADA monitoring. Check out this video's description for the links. You can browse this YouTube channel for PV genset hybrid projects based on Energy PK PV diesel controller. You can also visit our website www.icssww.com for details. For local and international Energy PK PV diesel controller inquiries, fill in the Google form link provided in the description or contact us through email, call, WhatsApp, email or WeChat. We are glad to offer much required solar operation and maintenance SCADA system called PV SCADA Max. PV SCADA Max is a complete O&M SCADA solution for medium, large or very large scale PV solar integration projects. Salient features of PV SCADA Max are high level of scalability from 100 kilowatt to multiple gigawatts, real-time monitoring of each grid-tied solar inverter and its respective strings, real-time alerts and alarm logs in case of any alarms on inverters, real-time monitoring of energy mix between various sources, for example grid, solar and generators against weather data, transparency of energy generation and consumption reporting, historical trending of parameters, integration of data from third-party SCADA control equipment or process-sensitive instruments, fact-based data for root cause analysis. For local and international energy PV diesel controller inquiries, fill in the Google form link provided in the description or contact us through email, call, WhatsApp, email or WeChat. Thank you for your time. Thank you.